Hello, I'm David from Ocarina Workshop. So, where do ocarinas come from? This ocarina was made in Italy by Giuseppe Donati around 150 years ago. Donati invented the shape of these first clay ocarinas. He started hand-making them when he was only 17 and called each one his little goose. In Italian, oca means goose and ina means little. Since Donati's invention, other vessel flutes, ancient and modern, have also become known as ocarinas. This ocarina was made in Costa Rica about 2,000 years ago. Thousands of ocarinas were made in pre-Columbian Latin America. Seeing them in museums inspired John Taylor to invent the English four-hole ocarina in 1963. This large fox-turtle combination was made in Mexico about 2,000 years ago. And this smaller turtle from Costa Rica is about 1,000 years old. Today's plastic school ocarinas are similar. The main difference with the turtle is the 4 equal-sized holes play just 5 notes. 4 different size holes on the English ocarina play up to 14 different notes. So ocarinas have been part of many cultures throughout history. Inventions in Italy and England have made the ocarina universally popular. Who knows where the ocarina will go next?